Hi, my name is Nikunj Malpani. I am co-founder and CEO of NeoDocs. NeoDocs is building AI-based diagnostics that give results within 30 seconds. Um, we were students of this college, IIT Bombay, and feel extremely lucky now to be a part of the Research Park umbrella. Um, we've been building devices across different segments: chronic kidney disease, anemia, infertility, obesity, trying to make healthcare and diagnostics more and more accessible across India. And now we have recently started expanding internationally as well. So we have done testing in more than 10 countries. We have 3 patents. We have reached to more than 15,000 doctors. A couple of exciting projects that we have worked on. One, we are working with the government of Ghaziabad in doing anemia screening for their entire population. And this population is the below poverty line population where maternal health is often overlooked. This is a very impactful project and extremely close to our hearts. The second one, we are working with Diabetes India Foundation, doing urine albumin creatinine ratio testing. Basically, all diabetic and hypertensive patients being tested at more than 3,000 doctor clinics across India. And we have seen an abnormality rate of 30%. So we have managed to identify more than 20,000 CKD patients at an early stage when CKD can still be managed with drugs and medications. Just being a part of Aspire and the IIT Bombay campus, having our office here has got access to so many amazing things. Having access to the wet lab facilities where we can do anything up to prototyping and 3D printing has been a great help. Uh, Extremely thankful for the Aspire team to think about us whenever there's any event or if they want to introduce us to relevant people that can help grow our business.